I'm doing a different kind of video. This is a vlog, and I just want to say a huge thank you for 10,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. I just cannot tell you, it's been a journey getting to 10,000 subscribers. In the grand scheme of things, I'm still considered a small YouTuber, but for me, it's a big achievement. 10,000, and it's 10,000 people from the UK, the USA, Jamaica, India, Dubai, all these different countries across the globe, which is fantastic. Thank you so much. I just can't tell you how pleased I am to have reached this milestone. It's been a lot of hard work and a bit of an uphill struggle at times, but thank you all so much for your support, and please continue to do so. Since I've been on this journey of YouTubing, it has opened up some doors for me. So, for example, I've had a book published. How I got that book published is the publishers saw what I did on social media, reached out to me and asked me to come in for an idea they had for a cookbook, and I did that, signed a contract with them. They wanted to renew, but you know, it ended amicably, and I'm now going to look for a new book deal. So really pleased with that book deal. It was one of my first, and now I'm going to be moving on to another book deal, which hopefully there's another publisher out there watching. If you are, get in touch. More than happy to speak with you about a book deal. In addition to that, I have a series that is on Amazon Prime, and because I've done stuff on YouTube, it kind of stepped me into creating a series, a 3-part series called Kirly-sue's Global Kitchen, and that is on Amazon Prime. If you go there now and just put in Kirly-sue's Global Kitchen, you will be able to see that series.
Hi, I'm Kirly-sue. I'm a food columnist, vegan cook, TV presenter, author, and I'm also a YouTuber. I've been to Jamaica many times, and I lived there from the age of 5 until I was almost 10. I want to change the stereotypes of healthy vegan food.
So that's another thing. I've also worked with a ton of brands, really great brands. I've done brand deals, all kinds of different things. I've been invited to different events, which is really nice because I then go as press, because I have a platforms. I'm on YouTube, Instagram, and other social media platforms as well. So that's been really great, working with different brands. I enjoy doing that, and I hope to do more of that going forward. I've also been able to travel. I did a TV series in Thailand. There's going to be a different video all about that coming out soon, and in that I'll tell you all about this TV series I made in Thailand. You can see the footage, and I was in Bangkok and everything. It was really great. I also went to South Africa. And filmed over there, and that was a really great experience. I went with a fellow chef friend of mine, Chef Troy Levy. He went there, and that was a great experience. I actually, speaking of filming overseas, I did film the Amazon Prime series, half in Jamaica and half here in the UK where I live. So I'm going to be doing more vlogs on my channel, as well as I will have all the recipes, but I'm going to be doing some more vlogs as well, because you've been asking for the longest time for me to do more about myself, what I do besides vegan cooking, and you know, looking at my lifestyle and what other things that I do. I think most of you know that I do stuff on television, and I give you a little snippet about that, but with these vlogs I'm going to show you a bit more about what it is that I do behind the scenes, because I do a lot more than just cooking. Nothing wrong with cooking, I love cooking, but besides cooking there's so many more things that I'm doing. I want to say a huge thank you again to all of you, each and every one of you. You have helped me to get here. If you have anything you want me to make a vlog about, comment it below and let me know. I have a list that I'm building and I will do that. Also follow me on Instagram. I'm also on Instagram as well, and I really enjoy engaging with you there as well. So please continue to share my videos on social media, on WhatsApp, wherever you can, because my next milestone is 100,000. Yeah, YouTube really makes you stretch yourself. The first milestone is 10,000, and you do not get a play button for 10,000. I don't know if you did in the past. I know in the past they used to give out a lot more play buttons than they do now, but now the first play button you get, I think it's silver, and it's for 100,000. So that's my next milestone, is to get to 100,000 subscribers. And once I got that, I will do a giveaway, and I will also do do more videos, and I'll do a video showing you the play button as well. I'm so looking forward to getting it. But 90,000 to go, 10,000. I think by the time this video is uploaded I will have gone over the 10,000, so it's 10,000 something now, on our way to 11,000. So I've still got approximately 90,000 subscribers to go. So please share the videos, subscribe. It's free. I don't know why sometimes people don't subscribe, because it is free. You don't have to pay for it, but you know, it does help me out a lot, and I really appreciate it. It is fantastic. This is just a wonderful experience, so thank you so much. Comment down below whatever else you want to see. Any recipes you want me to do, comment down below as well. What type of recipes? I think the last poll I did, it was mainly desserts. If you have a specific dessert you wanted me to make, comment that down below, and I will put it on my list of videos to make. But thank you so much. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos more regularly, so I will see you in the next video. Bye.